And here's the gun I reach for where I need more nailing power. This is 16 gauge Paslode, angled. Awesome package. Once again, really light and balanced. On the lightness and the balance, it beats every single gun in this class of other brands. It is just pleasure to hold it in your hand. Awesome, awesome gun. If it performs well. This gun has been a little problem, had some problems with the fuel delivery, and been to the service probably like 4 times. Last time I was surprised they didn't just send me a new one. I guess all the internals now are new. The last I tested, it worked fine. I have some 1.5" 16 gauge nails in it. Let's see how it does. Oh, maybe we need a gas. And when we put a gas in, like so, and then it should work better. Let's see. Once again, it shot very rapidly without any ramp up. Awesome. I love that about Paslodes. No ramp up. Even the slightest, like on the DeWalt, Porter cable, Hitachi, it feels like forever. On this, you just grab it, point it, and you shoot it. Awesome. What's negative about it? Like I said, for my gun that has been in service way too many times, I wish they had already replaced it, because 4th time I think it was supposed to be a lemon. It works so far, and we'll see how it goes. If it doesn't, I'll send it back. Another negative part is, what are these stickers glued on with? I think if I use the honey, it'll probably work better. They constantly fall off. At least they're there as a bumper, but you have to keep your eye on it for them not to fall off. So overall, this gun has been pretty good, except that fuel delivery problem, and I'm hoping that it's only isolated problem, and this is maybe my gun's problem, and other ones don't have that. Otherwise, so basically it has been a really good gun. I like it.